The best types of locks for the front door are a multi-point lock system. A lot of the manufacturers have gone to a multi-point lock system so that you can engage the frame in different points on that door slab. And so what it is there's one single point where you control the lock system, but on the side of the door there's prongs that go into the door frame. One of the nice things about that is that it keeps the door in a line with the frame and keeps it compressed against the weather stripping when the door is closed. Sometimes if you just have a regular lock set and a deadbolt, you only have one point of attachment, and so the top and bottom of the door can sometimes flex, and then you get some air leakage through those points at the top and bottom. Another thing when you're considering hinges is would be to upgrade to a ball bearing hinge. Those ball bearing hinges last a little longer. They don't tend to be as hard to open and close, so that they can run smoothly over time. But the multi-point lock is definitely something to consider. It's all encased in the side of the door. There's one point where you can operate it, and it's not only more secure, but also helps improve the life of the door and the efficiency by making sure that the door is seated against the weather stripping at all times.